Okay, welcome. In this lesson, we will add a VS Code plugin for Lit. So as always with software development, we need to keep things updated. Staying updated with current programs and extensions will help us to develop much faster. If you have been following along with the Lit tutorials and you don't have the extension installed, your code will look like this. However, if you are using the latest extension, your code will display like this. So taking a look at the Lit plugin, stay informed by checking on the current documentation for whichever framework you use. Here are the tools recommended for using Lit, so depending on whether you're coding in JavaScript or TypeScript, add the plugin. For the demo, we are using JavaScript, so we will use Lit plugin. To install the plugin, open your VS Code editor and click on the extensions icon. Type Lit plugin in the Marketplace search bar. Then click on the Install button. Make sure to close and reopen your editor for your changes to take place. Then if you have any Lit errors, it will be highlighted and the file name will show in red. And you will get code completion suggestions. So enjoy faster development using VS Code extensions, and please share any tips you have in the comments, and thanks for watching.